So the collaboration started in 2015, so quite some time ago, together with Comtrade. And so far it's been a successful collaboration because Comtrade was bringing a different point of view to the project. We are definitely more involved in the scientific environment and research environment, while thanks to the help of Comtrade and the productization of EOS, this dedicated project within Cern Open Lab, we were able to have a different view on the product, to have a more customer and business-oriented view in order for them enable Comtrade to provide the services to other communities and other companies that will profit from the Cern technology. So EOS is the data storage solution of Cern, and this has been developed here at Cern by our engineering team. And this has been made on purpose to make sure we deliver all the storage services to the experiment and to be able to make sure we ingest all the data that is produced at the LEC. These are extreme computing requirements, and these required a dedicated storage solution that we have built and made available to our experiment.
We have a storage system at Cern that was basically embedded at Cern that is able to manage large data volumes, a lot of files. It's a namespace, it has a namespace, which basically namespace is a directory of files. When you query a large database for a file, and then this database directs you where the file is in the storage. Historically, if you have a relational database, which different techniques, and you have a lot of users, this is not very optimal. We come up with a system that was very optimal. It was very reactive. You can basically query the namespace in a fast way. At the time was in memory. Now it's like in separated the data store. But it was a system that it was clear that could cover a phase space in the storage, not only in scientific environments, but also to the industry. Because otherwise you have to go to very expensive storage systems, and probably not being able to scale at the same level that EOS was scaling. So that's why we thought it would be good to pair with Comtrade, to basically mold a bit our scientifically scope storage into something that is more moldable and more well documented. And with the two of us, I think that we were starting a product that then this was deployed in several other places outside science scope, which I think is one of the relevant things to do. And at some point, we realized that could be a good thing to try to productize EOS. Productize is not a common word, but this is just to express that we wanted to do EOS as a product, just to share it. And then the idea came to partner with you, with your team, to make EOS in a way that can be exported into other places. So we were lacking documentation, we were lacking procedures, we were lacking standards, because EOS was grown pretty much in the Cern environment. So it had a lot of Cern bias in terms of software or coding, platform, etc.
Our idea is to spread EOS to other systems, to spread EOS to HPCs, to high-performance computers, to supercomputers, and to spread EOS to data centers. It is our next step, and we are working. We are now researching how to do it.